And so guys, this is the situation of my kitchen. I did a whole lot of work yesterday, a lot of cooking, and everywhere is so messed up. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are going to watch this from. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a massive cleaning in my kitchen, yet a massive cleaning. And before we do that, I'm going to take you guys along where I'm going to get my detergent to do this, because the kitchen is so messed up. And the reason of that is yesterday on Sunday was our annual Thanksgiving. Yes, our annual Thanksgiving, what we know as harvest. And I did a lot of cooking, like I did a whole lot of cooking, and everywhere is so messed up. And that is the reason why I could not be dropping videos since I dropped my last video on Friday. And if I have not been meeting up with some of your upload, please forgive me. I have been so busy. Although I know every one of us is busy, but there are some of the busyness we cannot just control ourselves. So that is the reason. Even in this Christmas, I have not even decorated anything apart from the Christmas tree, which have been decorated, but there is no chance for me to even edit that video or upload it. Oh my god. So that video is going to be coming up before this video. Please watch that video and tell me how good we did in that Christmas tree decoration. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you that have been supporting me. I want to say a compliment of the season to you all. Enjoy this season with love, peace, and joy. Give what you have, give what you can give. Just do your best and leave the rest for God. Do what you know how to do best. Yes, be yourself. So, and I think I'm going to continue on Tuesday, because today I cannot able to upload as well, because I have a whole lot of things to do, which you guys is going to be seeing right now, how my kitchen looks. I have to put everything together today so that I can continue all my uploading my video. So without taking much time, stay tuned to this video and make sure you watch from the beginning to the end to spread the love. Already we are in the season of love, and don't go anywhere. So I will take you around and show you my kitchen right now. Go. And so guys, this is the situation of my kitchen. I told you I did a whole lot of work yesterday, a lot of cooking, and everywhere is so messed up. Can you see this? So right now I'm going to wash all these plates. After washing it, I will just go out to get some cleaning stuff to make this all right. Can you see? This is so dirty, like so rough. Can you see this? So this is it guys, and guys, we are going to be changing this thing. We are going to be changing. This one is spoiled already. Let me show you. You can see some of them is not gone anymore. So we are going to change it to other color, which have been ordered and arrived. Is here now. You can see everything is full up. So it has arrived. I opened it yesterday and I love the color. This was so good. So this is it. Let's go right into this video. So stay tuned. So guys, I just finished washing the plates. You can see everywhere is looking much better than earlier. Not that totally better, no, but I am doing it one after the other already. And this one is not soaked yet. I'm going to leave it with this water and keep it aside. Maybe later in the evening I will try and make it right, like wash it. This is it. What I will do now, I will be going out to get those things, those stuff. Not that I don't have some of the things I'm going to use washing this thing, but there are some items I need that is going to make it perfect or more easier for me. So I'll be going to get those things. And guys, I have something to show you. It's not a big thing, but because I love it, because I love it, I decided to share it with you. So this spoon, I got it from Onero yesterday. I love it. Oh my god, I love it because I decided to change our spoon. Those one that is there, I bought it last year and they are not looking good anymore. I bought these two color last year. This one you can see is not looking too good anymore, and this one too. This one is good, but I don't like it because it's too big. The way the shape is, I don't like it. So I'm going to be changing it. Especially the coffee spoons inside, like the baby spoon. I so much love it. I love it because all my spoon, I don't know what is taking them. Oh, they will be missing in my house. I don't know. This is the coffee spoon. Can you see? But I'm going to be using it for my kids. My baby Serenity and Michelle will be using this, and 6 of this is inside here. Everything is C6, like the fork, the knife, the spoon, and the coffee spoon. I love the shape of the coffee spoon. It looks like exactly those baby spoons. You can see this is so beautiful and cute. So guys, we are here now. So this is for fridge, but I have not tried it before. I'm going to try it for the first time. So guys, so I finished buying those things, and the time is almost 12:30 now. We'll be going to Serenity School to go and pick her. We'll just use the opportunity to go and pick her, so we'll just go home together, and I will be showing you those products I got, and I hope they work perfectly on that my dirty gas. So that is it. I see you guys at home or when Serenity is here. Okay.
Hi guys.
Serenity is here.
Sleeping.
Baby is sleeping. Yes, baby is sleeping. Look at her. She's sleeping. Say hello.
Hello.
So guys, Serenity is here. We are heading home now. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys.
How are you?
How?
So guys, these are the things I got. So I will show you. So this is Dorante. So it says Dorante for house room, for baby's room. This is very good. It's not harsh at all. It's good for kids room. We got 2 of it, different colors. So this is for kitchen, maybe bathroom as well. You can use it for both. And as Asa is a good product, you can see. I got this for fridge, to clean fridge. You guys already see some when I was buying it at the supermarket. This is to mop the house. This is it. This is the one I'm going to use actually. This is for the gas. This is it. This is called CIF creamer. This is for mopping the house as well. protezione disinfettati. Protezione disinfettati, that is detergent to disinfect the floor. This is alcohol. You need this time around. This is alcohol, and this is for glass, like window, like doors. So this is it for glass. Why this is for microwave. Microwave, you can also use it for oven. This is it. These are the things I got from the supermarket. We are going to start off watching the gas now. Make sure you stay tuned to this video, and let's go. First of all, I will use this Arce, I don't know, but this is very active. Aspect of taking things off, taking stain off. So I'm going to take it out with this. I'll add this cream now. I'm going to mix it with this cream. So I will rub it all over. As we wait for this to just soak a little bit for the final process, then I will go ahead and clean the oven as well. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So guys, I finished washing the oven. I thought my oven were not dirty because normally I don't use oven like that. Normally I don't use oven every time. We are so dirty, and that is cleaned already, and this one is clean as well. You can see this is the final process, which is looking good right now. You can so guys, thank you for staying tuned to this video. I decided to end this video here because I don't want it to be super long, because if I say let me show you where we are going to fix the gas carpet, is going to make the video too long, which is not going to be interesting. So look forward to that video, and you are going to see how beautiful the kitchen comes out. Because in most of the city where I live in Italy, if you rent an apartment, you are the one to provide all the things you need in that house. So in that time we rented these apartments, we don't have enough money to buy new kitchen, so we just go for this one, and this is how I maintain it to my taste. And I hope you guys love it, and thank you. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and see you in my next video. Bye.